Hi second graders, Miss Dumont here, and today we are going to be talking about place values up to 100, bundling 10 longs into a flat, and what each of these digits, especially the 100s place, really means. So first we're going to review our manipulative blocks that you have at your table. So if you guys could take those out and follow along with me, we're just going to go over our ones, tens, and hundreds place and see how each of those fit in to your numbers. So starting with the ones, we know that a unit block equals 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Next, we have our longs. So let's count together our tens place and how many unit blocks are in our tens place. So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 units in our long. So 10 little blocks equals 1 in the tens place, and so on. So our next place, the 100s place, is really important. We're going to go ahead and count the amount of tens or longs that are in our flat or 100s. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can see that 10 unit ones equal 1 long and 10 longs or 100 units equal a flat. So let's take a look at what each of these numbers really mean. So we can see that the farthest number to the right represents our ones place, and our 7 represents the fact that we have 7 ones, or 7 unit blocks. Our 4 in the tens place represents the fact that we have 4 tens, or 40 units. Our 2 in the hundreds, here we have the hundreds place coming into play, represents that we have 2 hundreds, so 2 flats, which also equals 200 units. So when you put all 3 of these places together, you see that you have 200 units in the hundreds place plus 40 units in the tens plus your 7 ones, which is going to give you 247. So now that we know that the number in the hundreds place determines the amount of groups of 100 that we have, let's practice choosing what number we have in the 100s place based on the amount of flats. In this example, we're going to use squares to represent our flats. So if we have 3 flats, what number is that going to represent? We know that that is 300. So let's try another example. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flats. What number is that going to represent in the hundreds place? Well, because we have 7 flats or 7 groups of 100, we know that it's going to equal 700. And there you have it. And now we're just going to run through a few examples together. So example 1, we have 4 units. So we know our number is 4 in the ones. We then have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 longs. So we have 6 groups of 10 or 60 in the tens place. And then we have 1, 2, 3 flats. So 3 flats or 3 groups of 100 equals 364. Next example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, 1 long, and 1 flat. So we know we have one group of 100, one group of 10, and 5 ones, so 115. These two other examples down here, we're going to let you work on with your group and try out on your own and check back to see if you got them right. So thank you, and that is the end of the lesson for today.